Welcome to Lesson 5-7. That's Topic 5, Lesson 7. Today we're going to use unit rates to solve some problems. A little terminology here, a constant speed. It's just what it sounds like. It's a rate of speed that stays the same over time. So, a jet is flying at a constant speed of 175 miles in 7 minutes. We want to know how far it will go in 85 minutes. Well, 7 times no whole number equals 85. Maybe if we go to a unit rate first, we can get there. So let's do that. Let's divide top and bottom by 7 to get the number of miles per 1 minute. Coming over to the side and dividing that out, 175 divided by 7 is 25 miles per minute. Well, now we need to find out, not for 1 minute, but for 85 minutes. So how do you get from 1 to 85? Well, that's times 85. Do the same to the top. If I do that, working over at the side, I get 2,125 miles in 85 minutes. There you go. The next part's for you to try. It says, at the same rate, how far would it go in 75 minutes? Well, we already found the unit rate for you. So you can use that to find out how far in 75 minutes. Go ahead and give it a shot. All right, here we go. We have a grocery shopping trip here, and we're going to buy some Swiss cheese that is on sale, and it's 24 slices for $7.50, and I want to know what it costs to buy 5 slices. Well, since I'm trying to find 5 slices, a different number of slices, maybe I need to find the price per slice. To do that, I need to divide by 24. When I divide that out, I get 0.3125. Well, this is per slice. We need to go to the nearest penny here. So I'm going to round to the hundredths place, which makes it 31 cents per slice. Well, I don't want to know 1 slice. I want to know 5 slices. Well, how do I get from 1 to 5? Well, that's times 5 times 5. And I get $1.55 for 5 slices. Here's one for you to give a shot. Jared paid $13.80 for 5 tickets to a game. At the same rate, what would it cost for 3 tickets? So find your price per ticket, and then find the price for 3 tickets. We'll talk about it in class. All right, now we're going to use an equation, the DIRT equation, distance equals rate times time, to answer some problems. Let's look at this problem here. A ferry boat travels at a constant speed of 57 5/10 miles in 2 5/10 hours. How long would it take for it to travel 92 miles at that rate? First, let's find the unit rate of travel. I went 57 5/10 miles in 2 5/10 hours. To find out how far in 1 hour, I need to divide top and bottom by 2 5/10. Over on the side, I did my division, and I ended up with 23 miles per hour. Now, 23 miles per hour, you also might see that as 23 mph, miles per hour, is a rate. And we use this variable r as a unit rate of speed in the formula distance equals rate times time. D is distance, r is rate, the unit rate of speed, and t is time. We calculated the rate of speed as 23 miles per hour, and they told us the distance we're looking for is 92 miles. So, and what we're trying to find is the time. So let's work this out. We'll start with our formula, and then we'll plug in what we know. We know 92 equals, the rate is 23, We're trying to find time. Now, we're going to use the old rules that we knew before. How do we undo a times 23? Well, we divide by 23, and we can do that if we do it to both sides. I get t equals, doing the division on the side, 4. 4. The unit rate is, so that's 4 hours. So the answer is 4 hours. Okay, here's one for you to try. A submarine travels 19 miles in a half hour. Okay, and so I want to know what that is per hour, because that's kind of what we need for a rate. We need it per hour. And using the formula D equals RT, dirt, after we find the rate R, we want to find out how long it would take for the submarine to go a distance of 57 miles. Give it a try. Here's some straight up practice. We got a football player running 80 yards in 25 seconds. If he maintains that same rate of speed, how far would he go in 60 seconds? And then on vacation, Amy's dad drove the car at a constant speed and traveled 585 miles in 13 hours. At this rate, how long would it take them to go 810 miles? That's quite a trip. And what is the car's rate of speed in miles per hour? All right, we'll talk about it next time. Have a good one.